Hello, happy Mardi Gras and Fat Tuesday, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. There's another favorite dessert that I love when I travel to New Orleans next to Beignets, bananas Foster. But why not turn it into a breakfast dish? Oh yes, sugar. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all bananas Foster French toast. How yummy does that sound? And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And we're going to make a serve that has pecans and bananas. If y'all fan of bananas Foster, y'all going to love this French toast. This would be the talk of the town at your next brunch gathering. Let the good times roll. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Cajun and Creole recipes playlist and my previous video, Vegetarian Dirty Rice. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your bananas, your bread, and heat up the griddle, sugar, because we're about to cook some bananas Foster French toast magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our custard for the French toast. In my bowl, I have 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. And into our eggs, we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a half a cup of my favorite milk in the world, evaporated milk. Just going to give this a quick whisk until everything is well incorporated and the eggs are beaten. And that's it, my friends. Our custard is complete. See how simple and easy it was? So now we're going to set this aside while we prep our filling. Over here, I have 3 bananas. We're just going to peel them. Alrighty. And then we're going to cut them in half. And keep your fingers out the way. Cut them down like this. And then we're going to quarter them. Alright, so now I'm going to set my bananas aside while we work on our other ingredients. In my skillet, I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I'm melting. And I got my fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in a 1/4 of a cup of packed light brown sugar. A 1/4 of a cup of dark corn syrup. A half a cup of pure maple syrup. And a half a cup of chopped pecans. Going to give it a quick stir. And we're going to bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, our syrup mixture has came to a boil. So now we're going to cut the heat down to simmer. And we're going to let it cook for 2 minutes. And while that's cooking, we're going to get started cooking our French toast. Alright, my friends, I have my griddle nice and hot, and I melted 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And over here, I have my bread. I'm using 3 slices. I'm using Texas toast, or you can use brioche or sourdough bread. Make sure you use thick bread. So we're going to dunk our bread into the custard, like so. Shake off the excess. Then we're going to put it onto the griddle. Like so. And we're going to let our toast cook until they're golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, my friends, now it's time to add in the bananas. Alrighty, now we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of pure rum extract and a fourth of a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Stir them up a little bit. Make sure all the bananas get coated in the pecans and syrup. This is going to be so good. Alrighty, so all we do now is let the bananas cook for 1 minute until the bananas heat through. Alright, my friends, let's take a look at the French toast. Gorgeous! Nice and golden brown. Alrighty, so all we do is let the French toast finish cooking on the other side. Alright, my friends, our filling is done. And I'm going to coat the bananas a little bit more with the pecans. Smells good. And I can smell the vanilla and the rum. This is going to be one amazing breakfast. Alrighty, so now our French toast is ready to serve. So I'm going to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got my plate of French toast. Now you ready for the fun part? Time to add the bananas and the pecans and the syrup. Like so. Woo-wee! Doesn't this make your mouth water? Lord have mercy. Get some of the syrup. Just like that. Doesn't that look pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Bananas Foster French toast. Now look how good that is. Look at all the bananas and the pecans. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me some pecans and some bananas. Look at that. Have a bite. Oh my Lord. The toast is nice and tender and the bananas is tender. And I can taste the rum. And I like that crunch from the pecans. And that syrup is phenomenal. This Bananas Foster French toast is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Bananas Foster French Toast-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email. ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. And happy Mardi Gras and Fat Tuesday.